Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to create 3D pop-out Instagram design with your smartphone. So let's head over to Canva and start designing. If you do not have an account with Canva, sign up and start designing. If you already have an account, let's go over to Canva and create. So right here on Canva page, I'm using 180 by 180, which is Instagram size. So I'm going to change the color to a color I prefer. Then over here I will click on this plus sign that will lead me to elements. I will search for a photo. Okay, this photo I've used it before to create, so I will use this photo right here. But if you do not want to use Canva photos, you can upload your own photos. If you go through my previous videos, you'll see where I taught you how to upload your own videos or your own pictures and files on Canva. So I'm already using a Canva stock photo, so I will have to use it to show you what I am doing. Then right here is the photo. So I'm going to crop out the excess part of this photo here. So I'm going to crop it out here, right, like this. Then reduce the size to have enough space. Okay, click on this plus sign again, then search for Instagram post frame, right? So I'll tap on this right here, then keep it on the other side. Then take this my photo, I will have to duplicate it and keep it under. This is photo 2. Okay, then this photo I will take this frame and place it on top of our photo, right, like so, like this. Okay, then I'll click on photo 2, remove the background of photo 2. So what I will do, I'll click on effects, tap on effects, then tap on background remover, BG remover right here. So I'll tap on background remover. Once it removes it, then I will take it over to this place. Meanwhile, before I'll do this, let me crop out to fit into the size of our photo frame. Then I will group it with Instagram post frame so that it will be easy to move around, right? So I will tap on these 3 dots right here, tap on 3 dots, then select this option of select multiple. So I'll tap on it right here, then it has already selected the photo. Then I will zoom it to be able to highlight the photo frame like so. So it has highlighted it, and as you can see on this option, select multiple option, it has increased to 2. So then I will have to swipe left and group it. You see group option here, I'll tap on it, click on group option. That is it. So it has select multiple option has changed to 1 because it has grouped the 2 objects. It has grouped the photo and the Instagram post frame. It has grouped it and is now 1. Okay, so I can move it around like this. So then I'll tap on photo 2 that I removed the background initially. Then I'll have to increase it a little bit and size it to photo 1 like this, like how I'm doing. So most times I usually zoom to get the perfect view like this. Okay, now see how it is. It is perfect like this. So what I will do next is to crop the bottom part of the photo to land on the line of Instagram post. So once it's like this, the next thing I will do is to tap on the 3 dots there, then go to select multiple again, then tap on the photo frame again. So it has turned to 2 and it has highlighted the 2 pictures. Then I will group, tap on group, right, like so. So it is this simple. That is it. This is it. Okay, this is how to create your own, even with your own picture. This is how to create it. You see, you can move around, you can now download it. Okay, so simple. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Thanks for now. Bye.